Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing well. So in this video we'll be going to learn how we use or how we display image on our web page, or I will show you, like for example, if I go yeah, on my, so this is my college page, just a page. You can see here this is a link to another page. Okay, so like this is whole paragraph p tag that I told you in the previous video, and in this we have a special word which is a link. And you can also experience that when I hold my mouse onto that link or that word, it changed the pointer. Like here you can see arrow with the yellow circle around. Here you see a hand which point to that word. This is called a cursor, and we say cursor pointer changed. Okay, so when I place my cursor on the link, first of all it is changed and we notice that this is a link. When I click there, you can, so it gives me a new page. Okay, so there is a one page, okay, where we click my mohawk and it is linked to another page. So when we click, it displays that page, or we move forward towards that page. So this is linking, and we also going to learn linking about in this video. And one more thing that I'm going to explore in this video is how we display image on our web page. For example, this one, just give me 1 minute. Oops. Like RD, yeah. Oh, RD. Come on, man. I don't know why. Sometimes it's working, sometimes not. Anyways, never mind. So this is like, this is the image. I can show you. Right click on here and you can see open image in the new tab. Click here and you can see in the title bar it says logo.png. PNG means image file extension, and we see in the browser that this is a image. Okay, and we learn how we can implement this on our web page. So we left from here, and first I will tell you about how we can use image tag to display image on our web page. Just down below I will put this here. First of all, I comment image tag example. To display image, we use a specific tag for that, which is img. That's it, img. And it is not closing tag, it's just a open tag. img, and close this. Nothing will be appear on the web page. And now it's time to display image or load a image from that page to our web page. So we have to give a specific attribute. What is attribute? This is a tag. For example, I am Satinder and I have some characteristics, like I love coding. This is my characteristics. Similar, img is a tag. It has different properties which we call attribute. img is a tag and it has some properties, like it behaves differently, like how we want it can behave, but it has only certain properties. One of it is source, which we write src as an abbreviation in the image tag. src equal and double quotes. Okay, so now we're going to display that image to the web page. We cannot load only this image. For example, if I go to Google and write mountain pictures, I go to image, I click first one, and in the image or on the image, right click on it and click on copy image address. Click on it. Go to our web page and go back to Visual Code. In the source, between the quotes, paste it here. We can use Ctrl+V to paste or right click and paste. I use Ctrl+V to paste. We place an image address here and I save the file, and on the web page, if I refresh, boom, the image is here. Our image is right here. See, this is our image. And you notice that like how the image is so big and we have to scroll left and right. We can also set that with the help of properties that is included in the image tag. One of the new property that you are going to learn is that we can set the width and height of the image. Let me show you. Just write width equal 50 pixels and height 50 pixels. Save this, refresh the page, boom. The image is now so smaller because it is 50 by 50 pixels in width and height. So I just change that to 150 and 150. Save, refresh the page, boom. So we can also set the width and height of the image. I just make this it bigger so it will be displayed properly. Yeah, like this. And just give a space here. We are just using HTML only, okay? Just HTML. So this is the width and height property and the source property of the image tag. And one more. Now I am going to tell you one interesting topic. You see that I call this image with the help of this link. If I remove that link, save this, refresh the page, nothing will display, but you just see a small image logo and the container of 350 pixel width and height. So it leaves the space for the image and it does not find, so it put a small logo at the top left corner, which does not look good if we are talking about for the user experience. Like, how we gonna solve this problem? We can come inside the image tag and we can write alt equal, we can write here mountain picture. I save this, refresh, boom. Now if the user come and it sees, okay, this should be a picture and it is something about mountain picture. Now the user have some idea that this container, like this section, is for the image, which is not displayed for some reason. And one of the reason is could be that the link is not proper linked to that picture, or the link is does not found in the Google. That's why, for example, if I paste the link here, if I paste the link here, it load the image, and if I misspell the link, it doesn't. Or there should be a chance that the admin of that picture remove the image from that address. So we no longer be able to access the image with the help of this link. So how are we gonna solve that problem? One of the right solution for that problem is that we download the image with the help of that link and store the image on our PC. So it will be not matter for us that the photo will be there on the internet or not. As long as the image is present on our local computer, it will always showing on our web page.
This is the best solution, and believe me, there is no other solution for that problem. It should be. If there is any other solution, then please comment down and let me know. Now we have to download the image and store that image in our local folder where we store that our HTML page. I just copy the link, I paste on the web page. So this is the picture. Right click on it and save image as. Click on save image as and go to desktop, and this is my folder, and I just change the name mountain. Also notice the extension, the file extension, which is JPEG, and I save this, and it's downloading, and it is right here. Now how I call the image from my local directory. I just remove the link from here. To load the image from our local directory, we have to just give a path, and the path is defined as like this, and full name of the image, which is mountain JPEG or JPG. It's stored here JPG, and refresh. Boom, image is load, and we can also say by this save, refresh, image loads. This is the full name of the image. This is the full name of the image, and by this we are just doing the same thing, but now this part is something like, for example, if I go to here, I make another folder image, and I just drag the image in. This just give me a warning that you sure you want to move the image. Yes, I want. I just move the image, and I just go to the HTML, and we just try our first way, save, refresh. No, it cannot load the image. And if we do the second way, it's still not. So how we can access that file which is in the image folder? I cannot show you, just give me 1 minute. I have to right now we are on the index HTML file, and we have to jump into the image folder. To jump into the image folder, we have to come in the source and // we have to write this. This action means that we have to jump from that file to something, and now the name of the something, which is image here, image. So we jump on the image folder, and we want to access that file which is inside the image folder. So for that purpose, there is also a specific code for that, which is just a // and now the name of the image and the extension. I save this, refresh, boom. So this is all about, I think, for the image tag. Yeah, this is all about, I tell you how we can load the image from the internet and how we can load the image with the help of our local directory.